Hi, everybody. I'm Trey Peppers. I'm the owner of Blitz Broadband. We are a full turnkey service provider in the Southeast, and we're growing like crazy. And we're here at Nashville to show what we can do, and we're here to light it up. Some of the big things our company has been working on this year, we have just now we've expanded from splicing and drops to full construction services, mainline construction, heavily focused on maintenance. We're expanding our territory from starting out just in Georgia all the way to the Southeast, even all the way out to Arkansas, Texas. What's next for us is going into long haul, putting the plow in the ground, drilling, jetting fiber. The middle mile is extremely important right now, even more so with the birth of AI and all the data going around. So we're here to assist with that and focus on the data center space and the middle mile and the long haul aspect of what's going on right now in the industry.